Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to use a clone V6 E3D Hotend for the Prusa MK3 or MK3S 3D printer. And I bought my clone part from the AliExpress, and it was a complete set. It comes with the fan and the cartridge, but I removed those parts because I don't need them. This video is about the fitting or the collar at the top. So the clone parts that comes with this type of push fitting that screws at the top of the heatsink, and this is the part where the heatsink gonna be placed on. And with this type of fitting, as you can see, it's not possible to place it on top. And the original E3D for the Prusa, there is a collar at the top, is a plastic, and it comes with the ring that secured the PTFE tube. So what I did to basically convert this clone part to use it on my Prusa, what I did, I measured the push fitting part, which is about 9.6 millimeter, and also I measured the thread pitch, which is about the pitch of the thread is about 1 millimeter. And I went on the SolidWorks. I designed a piece of tube with the thread with a similar dimension and the thread at the bottom, and the inner diameter of the tube is 4 millimeter. And also I simply printed with the ABS because sometimes the heat might reach on top in case of the fan failure or other cases. And if it's a PLA, highly likely the part gonna melt down and stick into the heatsink. So, and then after I printed the part, I redrailed the inner diameter with a 4 millimeter drill bit, and then I had some extra PTF tubing, and I placed it in. I lay down the heatsink on the part and mark the point that it needs to be cut, and I cut the axis simply, and then I placed the tube into the heatsink, and then also thread in the part in the 3D printed part. Like this, and then secure up. I dropped few drop of super glue, 1 or 2, to just secure the PTFE into the ABS. And as you can see, that's the way it looks. But the dimension of the PTFE might be different in your V6, but it's a similar dimension. Anyway, I'm going to show you what is the dimension. The overall length for mine is about 38.5, the PTFE, and I have about 16.5 millimeter from the bottom of the 3D printed part, and I have about 9.3 millimeter from the top, and the part length is about 12.7 millimeter is the height of the part. So I'm gonna leave the link below if you need to 3D print this part for yourself, so you can download it and use it. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Please like and leave me a comment and consider to subscribe. Thank you.